We're embarking on an extraordinary journey through the world of tea, unraveling a tapestry of surprising benefits that extend far beyond simple refreshment. This isn't just about what you drink, it's about unlocking a hidden potential within each sip, a potential that can truly transform your well-being. We'll delve into the scientific marvels behind various tea types, revealing how they can bolster your health, sharpen your mind, and even enhance your mood. Prepare to have your perceptions of this ancient beverage completely revolutionized, as we uncover secrets that have been cherished for centuries, now backed by cutting-edge research. The journey begins with green tea, a powerhouse of antioxidants. Its vibrant green leaves hold a treasure trove of catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. Imagine a microscopic army, diligently working within your body, neutralizing harmful free radicals that contribute to cellular damage in the aging process. This isn't just a theoretical concept. Studies have repeatedly demonstrated green tea's remarkable ability to protect cells from oxidative stress, a fundamental mechanism underlying numerous chronic diseases. Furthermore, the EGCG in green tea has been extensively researched for its potential role in cardiovascular health. Think of it as a subtle guardian for your heart and blood vessels, promoting healthy blood flow and maintaining optimal cholesterol levels. It's not a magic bullet, of course, but a consistent habit of enjoying green tea can certainly contribute to a more robust cardiovascular system. But the benefits don't stop there. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that interacts with caffeine in a truly fascinating way. While caffeine provides a gentle boost, L-theanine introduces a wave of calm focus, creating a state of alert relaxation, unlike the jittery sensations sometimes associated with coffee. This unique synergy can enhance cognitive function, improving attention and memory, making green tea an ideal companion for work or study. And for those seeking to manage their weight, green tea offers an intriguing twist. Its ability to gently boost metabolism and encourage fat oxidation is a subject of ongoing research, suggesting it can be a valuable ally in a holistic approach to weight management. It's a subtle nudge, not a drastic overhaul, but one that contributes meaningfully over time. Now, let's pivot to black tea, the world's most widely consumed tea, and discover its own distinct set of advantages. While green tea boasts catechins, black tea undergoes a process called oxidation, transforming these compounds into the A-flavins and the erubigins. These unique polyphenols are responsible for black tea's characteristic dark color and robust flavor, but their significance extends far beyond aesthetics. Consider them as powerful agents contributing to gut health. Research suggests that the A-flavins and the erubigins can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, a crucial component of overall well-being. Imagine your gut as a bustling ecosystem. Black tea can help cultivate a thriving, balanced environment, which in turn can positively impact digestion, immunity, and even mood. And here's a surprising payoff. While green tea often steals the spotlight for its heart benefits, black tea holds its own. Studies indicate that regular consumption of black tea can contribute to healthy blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular events. It's a quiet achiever, steadily working to support your heart's vitality. Furthermore, the antioxidants in black tea offer their own protective shield against cellular damage, similar to green tea but with a slightly different molecular composition. It's a fascinating display of nature's diverse chemistry, where different processing methods unlock unique health-promoting compounds. And for those moments when you need a mental pick-me-up, black tea's moderate caffeine content, combined with its unique polyphenol profile, can provide a sustained energy boost without the sharp peaks and crashes often associated with higher caffeine beverages. It's a steady, reliable source of alertness, perfect for navigating a busy day. Next, we journey to the delicate world of white tea, often hailed as the least processed of all teas. This minimal processing preserves a remarkably high concentration of antioxidants, even surpassing that of green tea in some respects. Picture the youngest, most tender tea leaves and buds, gently withered and dried, retaining their pristine natural goodness. This gentle handling ensures that the delicate catechins and polyphenols remain largely intact, offering an unparalleled surge of protective compounds. White tea's potential in combating cellular damage and promoting skin health is particularly intriguing. Think of it as a natural elixir for youthful vitality, with its potent antioxidants helping to protect against the environmental aggressors that contribute to premature aging. It's not a fountain of youth, but it certainly offers a powerful ally in maintaining healthy, resilient skin. Furthermore, emerging research suggests white tea's potential role in supporting immune function. Its rich antioxidant profile can help bolster the body's natural defenses, making it a valuable addition to your routine during cold and flu season. And here's a delightful twist. While its flavor is often described as subtle and nuanced, its health benefits are anything but. White tea provides a gentle, yet powerful, contribution to overall well-being, a testament to the idea that sometimes less truly is more when it comes to processing. Let's now turn our attention to oolong tea, a fascinating hybrid that sits somewhere between green and black tea in terms of oxidation. This unique processing results in a complex flavor profile and a remarkable array of health benefits. Imagine a master craftsman meticulously controlling the oxidation process, coaxing out different aromas and compounds. Oolong tea boasts a rich blend of polyphenols, including both catechins and the A-flavins, offering a synergistic effect that contributes to its diverse health properties. One of the most compelling aspects of oolong tea is its potential role in metabolism and weight management. Studies suggest that oolong tea can enhance fat oxidation and improve lipid metabolism, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet and active lifestyle. It's not a shortcut to weight loss, but rather a gentle accelerator, helping your body to more efficiently utilize its energy stores. And here's a captivating payoff. Beyond its metabolic benefits, oolong tea has been linked to improved cognitive function and stress reduction. Its unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine, similar to green tea but with a distinct balance, can promote a state of relaxed alertness, sharpening focus without inducing anxiety. It's the perfect companion for moments when you need to be both mentally acute and calmly composed. Furthermore, the antioxidants in oolong tea contribute to overall cellular health, offering protection against oxidative stress and supporting the body's natural defenses. It's a truly versatile tea, offering a harmonious blend of taste and therapeutic properties. Finally, we explore herbal teas, a diverse category that offers an endless array of flavors and benefits, often without the presence of caffeine. This is where the magic of botanicals truly shines, with each herb bringing its own unique medicinal properties to the cup. Think of chamomile tea, renowned for its calming effects. Its active compounds, like apigenin, can interact with brain receptors, promoting relaxation and aiding in a restful night's sleep. It's a gentle lullaby in a cup, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Then there's peppermint tea, a vibrant and invigorating brew. Its menthol content can soothe digestive discomfort, ease headaches, and even clear congestion, offering a refreshing burst of relief. Imagine a cooling wave washing over your system, alleviating minor ailments. Ginger tea, with its warm and spicy notes, is a powerful ally against nausea and inflammation. Its active compounds, gingerols, have potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it a comforting choice for upset stomachs or aching joints. And let's not forget rooibos tea, a naturally caffeine-free option from South Africa. Rich in antioxidants like aspalathin, rooibos can protect cells from damage, support cardiovascular health, and even contribute to healthy skin. It's a robust, flavorful alternative to traditional teas, offering a wealth of benefits without the stimulant effect. The beauty of herbal teas lies in their immense variety, allowing you to tailor your brew to your specific needs, whether you seek relaxation, digestive support, or a boost of antioxidants. It's a truly personalized approach to wellness, where nature provides a vast pharmacy of beneficial compounds. So, the next time you reach for a cup of tea, remember that you're not just indulging in a beverage. You're tapping into centuries of wisdom and cutting-edge scientific discovery. You're embracing a simple yet profound ritual that can profoundly impact your health and well-being. Each type of tea, with its unique chemistry and character, offers a distinct pathway to a healthier, more vibrant you. Ready to explore your own tea journey? Start by choosing a tea that resonates with your current needs, and allow its subtle power to unfold. The surprising benefits await you, one mindful sip at a time.